10 on Your Side is investigating the closing of a daycare in Newport News.
A parent tells us this comes after her child told her there was no running water there for weeks. And now that mom hopes to get the word out to other parents about the closure. 10 on Your Side's Deanna LeBlanc joins us with what happened, Deanna.
Anita and Tom, we spent the last 2 days looking into reports from the Department of Health, talking with social services, the city of Newport News, and of course the woman who ran that daycare. Now we can report the 5-year-old boy who told his mom something about that daycare wasn't right was absolutely correct.
What she did was wrong. You know, I'm here to speak for children because children can't speak for themselves.
Lakeisha Smith wants parents to know what was going on inside Amazing World Daycare before it voluntarily closed earlier this month. Her concern started with a comment from her 5-year-old son.
I will not use the bathroom there. It's dirty and it smells really, really bad. And when he told me that, it shocked me.
She says she confronted the owner, Charlotte P. Brown, who told her her son was lying, but she didn't stop there.
In the back of my mind, it wasn't settled.
Smith called the Board of Health. A spokesman confirms an inspector went by on April 28th and found obvious signs the toilets had not been flushed and there was no running water.
How can you run a facility like that with babies and children where they can't be clean, they can't wash their hands, there's germs going around?
Reached by phone, owner Charlotte P. Brown told me the lack of water was, quote, a plumbing issue. But the health inspector reported the water was off for 3 weeks due to lack of payment. But could it have been cut off even longer? A city spokeswoman tells me water usage for the year at that address averaged at 0.
Who would do that to a child? I mean, who would run a facility that's unsafe and uncleansing? Who would do that?
The owner refused to answer when I asked if she thought she was placing children in an unsafe environment. And while this care.com ad says it's a licensed daycare, social services tells me it has not been licensed since 2014. While the closure is a setback for Lakeisha Smith, she says she's just proud of her little boy for exposing a very big problem.
I was very proud of him. I went and took him out for ice cream because I wanted him to know that he can talk to me about anything, and I always told him that he could.
And the Department of Social Services did go to investigate allegations the daycare was illegal. That's an unlicensed facility with more than 4 children, but it was already closed when they got there. Now that mother says she's trying to get money back from the owner. The owner told me she'll give her a refund, and I wanted to ask her if she'd refund other parents, but she refused to answer most of our questions. I'm Deanna LeBlanc, 10 on Your Side.